I'm Laurie March, Project Manager and Home Improvement Pro, and I'm on the road with Renewal by Andersen all across the country, meeting special folks and seeing their cool projects that open a window into the past and the future. I'm here in Port Townsend, Washington, right on the water at the home of Chris and Carol, who have graciously invited me to tour their gorgeous Victorian home that was built in 1890, and I cannot wait. Come on.
I think the house speaks to you when you walk in.
The beauty of these Victorian homes, we think, is that they are laid out with the sun in mind. So that early in the morning, these two rooms are marvelous. As the day goes on, the library here starts to fill up with light. So there's always some light going on. And then in the evening, we'll go back to look at the ships and things going by from the parlor here.
It's almost like you're a cat sort of following the light.
Yes. Yeah, exactly, yeah.
Your entire home is filled with moments that feel like they almost could be in a museum. It's so special.
We feel very lucky to have found this. When we were moving the furniture in, I felt like I had gone into my oldest sister's dollhouse, and I felt like I was placing the furniture, yet I had shrunk and gone into the dollhouse.
So when you went to the marketplace to track down somebody to replace the windows, how did you land on Renewal by Andersen?
We went to a home show and we ran into a Renewal by Andersen guy. And so we had a sales guy come over here. And fortunately, from the 1890 pictures, he noticed that the window had muntins, these little grates,
Yep.
which the old windows never did. So he said, we can put those in for you. And we were just amazed.
We were absolutely thrilled.
So he said, well, we have to custom make them. It's going to take a little while, which was fine with us.
Right.
Because we knew we were doing it right.
Right.
The minute the new windows went in, we said, oh God, it feels so good up here now. It just feels right. I feel absolutely blessed to be in a house like this, be in the gardens, and part of what I love about my life, being part of creating something that is beautiful. Most people you hear say, I want to make a difference, I want to make a difference. This is my small little difference, is I'm contributing to making something beautiful. I think it's difficult nowadays when they build houses to find the types of wood and the quality of the craftsmanship. We have a love for the quality and the craftsmanship and the old things in it. It suits us.
This house was already over 50 years old when I was born.
Wow.
It's now 130, and it's going to be here long after we are gone. So we're just hoping that somebody else will come in and value it as much as we do.
We're picking up where the prior owners left off, and they've come back and visited, and they have said, we are so grateful you took on the task of stewarding the house, and they called it stewardship, because that's how they felt and that's how we feel. Every Victorian has to have a ghost. Well, I'm going to become a ghost when I'm gone and haunt this place to make sure the right steward is found.